So, good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. Good evening, colleagues. So, this topic is all about Anti-Dumping Act of the Philippines, RA 8752. So, what is dumping? Um, so, basically, for example, if you are a manufacturer here in the Philippines and you notice that your sales is slowly dropping down, and upon an investigation, um, you notice that something is selling a same product. So as yours from imported country got more sales because of its lower price than your same locally produced item, that is the time dumping occurs. So dumping occurs when a foreign company sells goods in the Philippines at a price lower than its normal value. So price in its home market. So this causes injury to local industries. So next slide, purpose of RA 8752, protect local industries from unfair foreign competition, ensure fair trade and promote industrial growth, allow the government to impose duties on dumped imports. So the purpose of this dumping duty or RA 8752 is basically of one of a trade remedy measures you can have to protect your product from material injury. It allows our Philippine government to impose some duty of this dumped product. Um, So purpose of our 8752 is to protect our all local manufacturer from injuries. So slide 3, key terms: dumping, selling goods below normal value, price in the exporter's home market, um, export price, actual selling price to the Philippines, so injury, harm to domestic industry. So remember, export price. Ito yung mga key terms: export price, injury, dumping, and normal value. So, go to the next slide. Filing a dump complaint. Mm, any person or entity can file a complaint with the DTI must include evidence of dumping and injury. So, DTI conducts an initial evaluation of the complaint. So, so if you are suffering from material injury from dump products, the Philippine law authorize the Bureau of Import Services from DTI, so you can file a complaint, and the BIS will initiate to conduct the preliminary determination on trade remedy measures against import causing injury to the Philippines. So industries or local manufacturers, specifically the dumping measures that provide protection from the Philippines, domestic industries that suffers from material injury by dumping of articles imported into or sold in the Philippines. So ang role ng DTI and Tariff Commission: DTI conducts preliminary investigation and initiates action. Tariff Commission naman handles formal investigation and hearings. So, investigation procedures: preliminary investigation by DTI, formal investigation by the Tariff Commission, determination of dumping and injury, recommendation of anti-dumping duty. So, determination of injury may include decline in sales or market share, reduced profits or employment, negative effects on production or investment. So, case examples. So, example, importation of steel rods from country X at unfairly low prices. So, local steel manufacturers file complaint, investigation proves dumping, anti-dumping duties imposed. So, with that being said, anti-dumping duty is one of the trade remedy measure you can apply to protect local industries from material injury. So, si anti-dumping, ang main purpose niya is one of the trade remedy measure you can apply to protect. So remember, to protect local industries from material injury. So mao lang gid na ang purpose ni anti-dumping, or what is called dumping act of RA 8752 in the Philippines. Thank you.